This is a very new industry if you see in India, and this industry is expanding at an exponential growth. Today we have a lot of Indian games, the games that we used to play in our daily households when we were children, present online as well. And the most challenging task to bring those games online is that each and every household or each and every corner of India has the different types of rules associated or memories associated with those games. So you have to ensure that each and every corner of the country is able to relate with your game. Each and every user is able to have a good experience of the game. Definitely the evolution of mobile devices and evolution of the mobile network, high speed internet, has the most impact on this industry. Now in India, you have a good network at each and every corner of the country. And with this, you have to realize that the network is available, but not each and every user have powerful device to support your games. Now, to make sure that you provide a good experience to any end user, you have to handle scenarios that can be supported on any kind of device. Definitely, user retention is the most powerful tool that any gaming company will have. If you can provide a good experience to the users, definitely the users will stay on your platform, because this is kind of an entertainment for the users, right? So you have to make sure that you provide the best experience to the users. You have to make sure that the platform is fair enough for them. You have to make sure that uh, any kind of issues reported by the users can be resolved as immediately as possible. Fairness of the game is the utmost important thing when you are working with the gaming companies, and you have to see that the user's experience is not hampered because of violation of any fair play. And to make sure of it, we collect information about the users throughout their journey, and we try to establish connections between them based on the data points that we collect. This can be information of location of the users that they are using to play the game. This can be the IP of the users, and finally based on that we establish connections between different users who are actually using multiple identities on the platform. And once you can establish the connection between them, you can figure out a way how to not allow them to play together. So like we discussed, bringing up all the games that we play in our households in India will be the utmost challenging task in this industry. But to do that, definitely technology will be the most powerful tool to help us with it. And there'll be solutions for bringing up good experiences, for bringing up how to help the users to establish their skills, to improve their skills, and finally how to make sure that the platform is safe for them. And definitely a lot of technologies will be used for this, especially technologies like graph database, machine learning, and these technologies will help us identify any kind of reduction in fairness of the game, and also how we can ensure the best practices are followed in the game.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.